Hi guys, so today I am painting on small canvases. They are 2 by 2 inches. I got them from my mini canvas set. There's 24 in this pack. My husband Teknojo drilled the back and crazy glued these rare earth magnets. There. These magnets are really strong. It comes in a pack of 10. So you can stick these on a refrigerator after you're done painting them. So I painted each one black. I'm using a size 3 round brush and apple barrel acrylic paint. Hope you like it.
Go strong on the fat of the land of the free. Ready? Two. A 1, 2, 3. Well, here comes Jumbo with the phone in his hand. Bet it's been a while since you seen a real man. Growing strong on the fat of the land of the free. Well, I guess he got off to a hell of a start with his grandpa's money and his daddy's heart. But you ought to know privilege is a pretty hard thing to be. You know? Whoa, here comes Jumbo with a knife and a tan and an elephant's tail for his Instagram. Going brave on the fat of the land of the free. See the twinkle in his eye like a torch in the dark off a waterproof stroll through the city park. Whistling, you purebreds gonna bark. After the theme song goes a little something like, here comes Jumbo, American as gumbo. Skin white as corn liquor, hair black as molasses and rum. No, he ain't dumb, no. You elitist bums can go get yourselves off Capitol Hill, 'cause sleep's just about had our fill of y'all playing Colombo. When anyone can tell that good old Jumbo was only trying to help, only trying to help. Oh, help us out with one now, Jumbo. Here comes Jumbo, American as gumbo. Washed in the blood of the little man, sing a fee-fi-fo-fum, bro. Till his kingdom comes, so you elitist bums can go fuck yourselves off Capitol Hill, 'cause we've just about had our fill of wondering what isn't his in the ring. When there's all these unadopted kids ready to swim across the Bering Sea to feast on the fat of the land of the free, the twiddling their thumbs, though. Here comes John, boy. American has come, boy. Washed in the blood of the little man singing 3-5-4 bum, bro. Till his kingdom comes.
So I painted a forest, a fish, and a colorful abstract art, and it only took me a few minutes to paint 3 paintings. I hope you guys will give this a try and make refrigerator art. Thanks for watching.
Climbed on a big boat and sailed away. Heard the waves and the water calling out for me. Going over yonder where the water is wide, following the stars in the big night sky. Let the tall ship sail as the wild winds will. If I ever make it home, I'll tell the tale. Let the tall ship sail as the wild winds will.